In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to your Instagram shop using the latest update. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can start tagging products in your Instagram posts and reels and drive more sales directly from social. Make sure you're logged in to both your Shopify account and your Instagram account before you begin, and that your Instagram is set up as a professional business or creator account. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section where you manage your sales channels. This is where Shopify lets you connect your store to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and others. If you haven't added the Instagram or Facebook sales channel yet, you'll need to do that here by clicking to add a new sales channel and selecting the Meta Sales channel, which covers both Facebook Shop and Instagram Shop. Once the sales channel is added, open it from the sidebar. You'll see a guided setup that walks you through connecting your Facebook account, your Instagram account, and your business assets like your Facebook page and catalog. Follow the prompts to log in securely to your Meta account. Then choose the correct Instagram profile and Facebook page that represent your business. Make sure you pick the same accounts you actually use for your brand, so everything syncs correctly. Next, you'll connect your product catalog. Shopify usually creates this for you automatically from your store products, but you may be asked to confirm which catalog to use. Choose the one associated with your Shopify store so that stock levels and prices stay in sync. This is important because any changes you make to products in Shopify will then update on Instagram as well. After that, select the domain you want to use for checkout, typically your main Shopify store domain. This tells Instagram where to send people when they tap through to buy. Double-check that your store policies, shipping settings, and currency are all set up correctly in Shopify before going further, because Instagram will rely on that information. Once everything is connected, your account and products will usually go through a review process on Meta's side. This can take some time, so don't worry if you don't see product tagging available immediately. When you're approved, go into your Instagram app, open your settings, then the shopping or business section, and make sure your product catalog from Shopify is selected. From there, you'll be able to tag products directly in your posts, stories, and reels, all powered by your Shopify store connection.